Cheers, buds! Today on God's Favorite Angel, we're roasting birds and doing some no spin, no reload shots.
Temperature is rising. Follow a said you can't come when you're late, but I can't. I've lost my grip. I'm not an outside here with your fucking guilt trips. Bite your tongue. Change your tone when you're talking to me. Throw your feet, slam the door. My blood is boiling. I can feel it. Can't you see it? Can't you see what I see? I see red. Fuck it. Change your tone when you're talking to me. Throw your feet, slam the door. My blood is boiling.
How is it?
That was delicious. Oh my god, chicken is so juicy. That is probably some of the best chicken I've ever made. And that's a flame roasted bird. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me and my team. And don't forget to check out the links at the end of every one of our videos and support your local bands the way we support ours. We would like to show them just as much love as they show us. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys again next week.